Apparently there's some baby ducks. Some baby ducks and stuff that we're going to film 7 o'clock a.m.
Here, look.
Oh, look at the little babies.
Over there, too.
Give me a little piece.
Donald gets jealous.
Get that damn bird out of here. I hate them bird. What's up, Donald? You a little bit jealous? Here you go, bro. There you go, bro.
See, he bites their butt.
Who, the babies?
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh!
Oh! Nice! Did you see that?
Yeah, it tried.
I just got that on film.
It tried to attack the baby.
Oh my gosh.
The mom's making sure he's okay.
The mom, did you see the mom pin the seagull down?
Boom.
That was freaking nuts.
She's making sure he's okay. Oh, this?
Yeah, look at, how do I zoom? How do I zoom?